Hey guys, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just an update. I know it's not in front of the train table or anything because I'm just sitting here for a few minutes. But some scenery work done on the layout right now. It hasn't been much. I've done just a little bit. The Milwaukee video is posted right now, but that engine recently had to go down because of mechanical issues. And there's just some issues I have to address. So hopefully I can get that run up again. So it had some really bad wheel slip, and now I might have jostled with it a little bit and accidentally popped a wire that come loose. So that's going to have to be addressed. But thank goodness the UP does run. It's a good thing to have two diesels because of an event like this. You always have a backup plan. The little switcher still runs, which is wonderful. That's another backup because the 726 is still in the shop, as well as another couple of engines in the shop. So still a lot of things have been going on. It just hasn't been a lot of videos on the layout just because I've been so busy with work, and plus I'm still trying to finish up January's footage and getting that up. The Milwaukee video was going to be a premiere, but then I decided to take it back to go ahead and get it up because I just wanted to go ahead and just get it out of the way because I got projects I'm working on. So so that's up there for your enjoyment. Tomorrow night we have a premiere at 8 o'clock. That's for January alone. Tidewater Part 1 and Part 2 is in the process of being done. Then I will be able to start with February's and get caught up with maybe another couple of videos that I haven't had a chance to do. So this will be an opportunity for me to catch up with things, and hopefully I'll be able to go back on the Southern here real soon. So but that's all the updates I have for right now. I know it's not in front of the train layout or anything, but it's just doing the best we can during these times of just being busy and also getting a lot of things working. So I do apologize on the Milwaukee news, but as they always say, when you use things, they're gonna break. So doesn't look like it's gonna be a major, like a super fix, but it could be just something a little super simple and be done with it. So I will be getting that looked at. I've got 3 other steam engines in the works for getting repaired. So let me tell you something, we're still getting a lot of things done. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little update, and I thank you guys for watching.